Is this not the coolest car you've ever seen? It's a 1960 Plymouth Fury. I cannot help but sing the Jetsons theme song in my head when I look at this car. Check out the cool design. The tail fins has the tire molded into the trunk. Look at these swooped front fenders. Just way too cool. Wait till I show you the steering wheel. Go to volocars.com. You can see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified when the videos are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. What a cool car. My father's seen this. My father's one of the founders of the museum here, and this blew his mind. This has been in his garage the last 6 months. He didn't want to sell it. Just a cool, cool car. So the fit and finish is amazing. The whole hood is absolutely straight. The fenders, the gaps, the lines. All this is absolutely clean. It all fits beautifully. The doors open and close real nicely. The jambs are painted up real slick. The roof seems like it's nice and low and sloped. Check out these tail fins. They're almost like the '59 Cadillac. It has the fake tire molded into the trunk lid here, but all the body work is excellent. This is a professional paint and body. We bought 2 cars from an estate, and they said he showed this car everywhere. All the panels are straight, clean, no rust, no damage. There's a little tiny chip on the very edge of the paint right there. Again, the jambs are painted slick. All straight, clean. I don't see any issue with the body at all. Painted in the red and the white, and just what a cool design right here. That is just so awesome. The paint itself is polished like glass. I didn't see any checking or issues. Here's a little tiny chip right here. But overall, the paint is beautiful. It looks like all of the chrome was redone. The grille, the bezels, the bumper, the emblems, all this stuff. It's what makes this car exceptional. This is all expensive to redo. Look at this Fury with the little star. All of it's redone. This is all polished. The moldings all along the bottom, all around the windshield. The mirrors are restored. The vent window frame. I'm sure this whole car was completely apart. I'm sure they took a truckload of stuff to the platers to be chromed and polished and straightened, because all of this, the door handles are just beautiful. All stainless steel fender skirts and this rear panel right here. Look at this emblem. All of this trim is just amazing. It's awesome. The bumper, look at the Plymouth, the chrome in there. It looks like jewelry. This is not beat up at all. All of this is just gorgeous. Again, check out this emblem as it comes around. Where would you even find one of those? So all of the chrome and trim has been professionally redone. Original rear window, typical light scratches. The windshield's been replaced. This wraparound windshield, crystal clear. And then, of course, the wire wheels with the Chrysler spinner cap and big fat white walls, American Classic white wall tires. What a looker. Let's check out that inside and that steering wheel like I told you about. So this is the last year of the fins. The following year, they cut them off completely. They called them stabilizers. Inside the trunk, beautiful, all painted up real nice. The jam as slick as can be. The weather strip is replaced. Now look at this. That's a full-size spare, and it takes up hardly any room in here. So it has the whole liner kit. Comes with a car cover. Comes with the paint code. The little display sign to put with the car. I don't know where to put gas in this car. I'm going to have to look. Oh, right behind the license plate. That's too easy. Like I said over and over, the jams are slick as can be. Weather strips were replaced. It was a professional body paint and chrome restoration. The interior was completely redone as well. Look at the red, white, and black door panels are all redone. All the metal trim inside the car is repainted. Check out this cool dash pod. It's a whole separate pod. Just very cool. Push button transmission. You got drive, neutral, reverse. There's no park. I have the parking brake set. The striped metal trim is all real nice. And it has push buttons for the heater controls that kind of match the transmission. All this is real nice. Look at the original mirror. Padded dash. All real nice in here. The welting's real nice. Kick panels, trims, all real nice. Carpets replaced. I can tell they put new foam in the seats, nice and firm. They're completely reupholstered. Seat belts are added. They weren't required back then. But it has the cloth and the vinyl, the Plymouth stitched into it. It has a little bit of chrome piping around it. Same thing in the back, real nice carpet, upholstery, seat belts, side panels are redone. All very nice in here. There's quite a slant on that back window. And then the headliner is the original headliner. It's some sort of like fiber board. Might have been repainted white at one time with the white strips, white visors. And then the star of the interior, check out this steering wheel. Is that too cool? It has sparkles in the clear plastic. It's like a rectangle shape. Check out the horn button in the middle. That is just way too cool. And here I am singing the Jetsons in my head again. Oh, this car, we joke about it. You just touch the key and it starts. My dad said before you even turn it, the thing starts. It starts right up and purrs like a kitten right off the bat. So that's a 318 with a 4-barrel. It has a replacement Edelbrock carb under there, the electric choke. And again, runs smooth as can be. And it's all detailed, painted up nice. All the plug wires, distributor cap, all real nice. Is the fiberglass heater box. Everything's painted, detailed. You know, it's all proper the way it should be. Does have power steering. There's a disconnect on the battery for when you park it. Just, again, exceptionally clean. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs. I'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. I tell you, driving this car is just so freaking cool, man. This one's got my vote for most awesome steering wheel ever. Oh, and the gauge cluster, don't underestimate that. I really love the way the speedometer functions. Kind of spins barrel style and then, you know, expands out when the speed goes up. Just way futuristic, way cool, and man, how much fun to drive. This bench seat feels great too. It's been all reupholstered, restuffed. It's got a nice firm feel to it. Somebody's really going to enjoy that. And the push button trans is really fun to operate as well. Power steering works effortlessly. Look at that right there, one finger operation. I'm gonna get a little toot on the horn here. I absolutely am in love. Not every day we get one of these here at the museum. Let's see what she's got. 318 V8 automatic transmission. Just like that, up to 60 miles an hour without an issue. I tell you, we're just cruising. I wasn't even halfway on the pedal. Plenty more power where that came from. I'm absolutely in love. Let's see how it goes down the street. Really nice alignment on this one also. I tell you, somebody's gonna get an amazing car that scores every cool point that ever existed. Runs and drives amazingly as well. No disappointments here. Check out all the details at volocars.com and come take it for a test drive too. I highly encourage it.
Accidentally closed the trunk before we started. I just pulled it down and it dropped the rest of the way and clicked shut. Just thinking how cool this car would be to take anywhere. I'm in the cars. My dad's been around the cars, and this stands out. Underneath is rock solid. It all looks like it's been maintained properly. The steering, the suspension, the brakes. Our mechanics, our shop has checked it out as well. The dual exhaust looks fairly new. The fuel tank does look like it's new. It does have air shocks in the back. The floors are completely solid. Bottom of the motor is clean. The automatic transmission is clean. But man, just what a cool car. We should just keep this in the museum permanently, but we can't keep them all. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your 1960 Plymouth Fury delivered to your garage. And if you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.